Let's jump to number 4. What are the sources of sensation? Okay? There are 3 of them. It's like a 3-legged stool. So if anything that you will remember from this presentation today, our balance is dependent on 3 sources of sensation. It's like a 3-legged stool. The first leg of the stool is your sensation of touch and motion in your feet and ankles. We're not talking about your sensation of touch in your hands. We're talking about the sensation of touch and motion in your feet and ankles. That's why people with numbness in the bottom of their feet will have trouble with balance. People with weak ankles or weak legs will have trouble with balance. Okay? People with neuropathy will have trouble with balance. Okay? The second leg is your vision. This is easy to understand. That's why it's more difficult to balance in darker environments. That's why some people have trouble being in a busy room where there's a whole lot of motion going on. The third leg is your inner ear. Now the inner ear, let's go here, your inner ear motion sensors. Your inner ear motion sensors are responsible for telling your brain the direction and speed of your head motion. So when you turn your head to the right or you bend your head forward, the inner ear sensors are the ones responsible for telling the brain what direction your head is moving in and how fast your head is moving. Okay? So that's your 3-legged stool, sources of sensation, sensation of touch and motion in your feet and ankles, your vision, and your inner ear motion sensors. Now let me